When we saw that the Weber house was going to be demolished, we just thought, wow, how great would that look next to our house?
Hello, I'm Andy Knowles.
I'm Melinda Knowles, and this is the Weber house.
We finally decided that it was impractical to move the whole house. Maybe the only way to approach it was to move the upper level and rebuild the rest.
The day that we were able to slide the house that we moved over onto the new foundation was super exciting.
Our intent was to really rebuild the house according to the 1952 design drawings that we had gotten from the NC State Matsumoto archives. The lot that it was on originally was very flat, and the lot here slopes down a good bit from the road. And so we ended up having a good bit of space under the rear left-hand corner behind the carport.
And Andy really pushed for the idea of making that a studio apartment, and I'm so glad we did. It's a really beautiful feature.
We thought all the wooden cabinets in the house were very beautiful when we first saw them. We were able to deconstruct them, put them in storage for over a year. The refrigerator surround is new, but it blends very well with the original cabinets. One thing that we're fascinated by was the cabinet that's between the kitchen and the den area. And we're happy that we were able to save it and move it in one complete piece and reuse it in the new house.
Betty Weber told her husband, you can design whatever kind of house you want, but I want a house with a turquoise door. So I wanted to honor, we gotta have a turquoise door, we gotta have orange chimneys, and I gotta pull all that together. To save the house and to make it to honor what it was originally intended as much as we possibly could felt super important to us.
I'm proud of what we did. It makes me happy to be in the Weber house.